Coin on highs. Coin, ripping. Coin. Nice move, coin. BABA continuing lower. Coin, really nice move there. BABA, new lows. Let's take a look. Tesla, new highs. Coin, new highs. I do like that coin. I kind of am looking at this 6470 area here on coin against, or 6270 against like 6230 or 20, 6220. $62.70 against 62.20. Let's see what that looks like. Tesla, new highs, 183 high day. Meta, new highs. Really nice move on Meta there. Amazon, new highs. Microsoft, new highs. Coin, new highs. Tesla, new highs. AMD, new highs. BABA, new lows. And immediately pops. Got to be careful there. This NVDA has not gone yet, and neither has Meta. Coin coming back in. Let's see if we can pick some up under 63. Meta, and there's Amazon continuing to highs. Tesla as well. Tesla into 83. I'll just set the 184 high day right now, because it does look like it's going to go. Tesla above 83, significant buying there. And I'm wondering about this 180, 140 against like 180, 70. Take a look at that as well. Coin did not come all the way back in. Meta on highs. Meta continuing higher. NVIDIA coming in. Amazon coming in. Or Amazon not coming in. Amazon's on highs. Apple not doing anything. BABA coming back in. Coin not coming in. Tesla not coming in yet. I'm about a point and change lower down at the 8130s. BABA not breaking down yet. Meta continues to climb. Look at NVIDIA's now on lows. Meta. Meta pretty interesting there. Tesla approaching highs. Coin did not get back down. I don't see anything in Meta. AMD, NVIDIA coming in, Amazon holding up, Apple, Baba, Meta pushing highs, Microsoft, Coin, oops, CRWD, Tesla not coming in, Tesla hanging around that 83, that's fine. Coin not coming in, Google on highs, Meta holding up, NVIDIA, Amazon holding up. Amazon looks decent. Tesla new highs. Did not pull back at all. Just straight up. Coin. Amazon on highs. Tesla. Coin coming in into 63. Almost got those coins down there. Got half of them. Got the full thing. So the first stop would be right around this area here, around this 60-cent area. And if we get a quick pop up there, I'm just going to take it. See if we can get up there. Long coin at 72 cents. Looking kind of rough right now, and coming straight down. Coin, and pennies away from stopping me out. And gonna take a stop on coin right there. Just completely blew down through there. And continues to go. That was quick. Add a marker there. Meta. Microsoft on highs. 87.50 against 87.20. CRWD on highs. Tesla hits 85. And I don't think I'm going to get those 81s or 82s Microsoft highs. No, I don't think I'm going to get those. Meta. Coming back under 88. Might I get those 50s? Let's see. Tesla still strong. Amazon strong. NVDA oddly not. Coin pretty big flush out there. AMD on highs. Meta coming in. Meta coming into the 80s. Let's see if they drop back down and retest those 50s. Here's the 60s. Can we get down? Oh, we got so close there. It did barely got down there. 60s, 50s, barely. Got the 50s. Long Meta at 50 cents immediately drops through. Hopefully not a repeat of what we had with coin. Long Meta at 50 cents here, and the target is high a day. The idea here is that we are hitting highs, so we are looking for 189s. Let's see if we can go fetch those 189s here. Stop on this is down below 20 cents. Let's see, 1-to-1 would be right there at 88. 2-to-1 would be at 88.40. Let's see if we can get a little more distance out of it. Gonna take one off right there on that little stall out, and what I'm gonna do is make 187.16. Be for the remainder. The rest I'm trying to get up at 189. Covered my risk there. And all the way back in. And honestly, it shouldn't even be down here anymore. It really shouldn't be down here. But we'll see. Microsoft on highs. Tesla. I don't think I'm going to get these Teslas. And this Meta all the way back. Market coming in now. And that did not reach up to the high. So that's not looking as good. But let's hang on tight. This is a move to move. This is not some spectacular like trade to hold. There's no like fundamental catalyst driving this. AMD on highs. Let's go ahead and reset that. I don't like that this thing is just sitting around here. I really don't. I'm thinking about bombing out of it if it goes back down. I feel like it should have gone up and retested highs there. If it can get above 88 soon, that'll be good, a good sign. That was a good partial, I think, taking off there. Just on that stall out, I was looking for a little bit higher, but was clearly stalling out. Tesla. AMD still hitting highs. This Meta just does not look good right now. It looks like this thing is going to just come in. I'm going to just bail on that. I just don't like it right now. Maybe that's wrong. Maybe that is premature, but I am just not like it had its chance to go. It didn't go. I guess if it turns around and runs to highs, I'll know I was wrong for cutting that prematurely. But yeah, I was looking for a different play there. Something to establish higher and then move higher and then run to highs. That's usually how those go. We're not seeing that here. So I can even set a would have stopped. And then what was I up at? 88. Like 90 would have worked. We'll see. But that's probably going to be it for me here on the open. I don't really not a great open here. Tesla did not get any of those. I'm still bidding for some down in the 82s. But I don't know if I want those anymore. It's a kind of a different trade now. Meta would have stopped. So there you go. Just the intuition that wasn't making forward progress up there. So it just dropped down to 16 cents exactly. Would have triggered my stop and popped right back up like that. Just saw a couple other names go to highs. NVDA, for example, just went to highs. Let's set the high day on NVDA. I don't really see any reason to get involved in NVIDIA. AMD continues to go to highs. Tesla trying to hold on. NVIDIA, decent push, but AMD and NVIDIA both looking strong. This is an interesting spot right here. I wonder if they'll do more volume. Right there. That's an interesting spot. Right there. Amazon on highs. AMD on highs. I'm kind of interested in a long here at 243.30. $240. 243.30. Let's see if we can get that. That looks kind of interesting there, and the volume is pouring in. Let's see if we can get filled down there on a little swoop. If this thing does swoop down and then goes to highs, this thing could run. I mean, look at it's clearing this resistance. Can we get NVIDIA picked up down there? Let's see. It's trying to get to highs here. There's highs on NVIDIA. Did not get those. Let's see if we come back and retest down in the 20s, 60s. 60s, quite a bit of activity. 50s, 40s. Can we get down to the 20s? 40s, flurry of activity there. 30s. Honestly, that is close enough. If it doesn't come get me right here, and it did not. 26 cents. I moved up. I moved up to get filled. I incremented my bid, and I ended up getting filled at 35 cents. Long NVIDIA at 35 cents, and we are looking for a new high of day. So I did move up a little bit because I just saw it was not. There was a flurry of activity on the tape there, and it just was not. Was not making lower progress. So let's see if we can get above 44. And if we can, I'll try to get one off in the mid 44s if we can get up to highs. We are approaching highs here. We are less than 5 cents from highs. Let's see if we can get some NVIDIA above 44. Can we see an explosion? Here's 44. 44s. We got up to 12 cents. Can we get higher? I think we can. Let's see if this NVIDIA can run. NVIDIA on highs. little bit of stalling here at 44, but that's okay. Microsoft hitting highs, that's going to help as well. I'd like to see AMD hit highs. Look at AMD, the strength there. And where's Microsoft? There's Microsoft. Also going to highs, so whole market's starting to get green here. AMD just hit highs again. Tesla coming in. I might get filled on that Tesla. And look at coin. Wow. And look at Meta as well. And coin back above. Coin back above. Wow. Well played on coin. Got long there, took a partial, and then got stopped out on this piece. Would have stopped out there anyways. But let's see if this market can really rip to highs. Coin. Wow. Yeah, and Tesla got down to 82.80. 82.80. And I was down at 82.30. And NVDA struggling at 44. NVIDIA pulling in again, and I'm just looking at this. I'm looking at this breakout above this level here, and if this thing gets going, man, there's a lot of room up above. But right now, this NVIDIA coming all the way back in. All the way back down to 50 cents. Microsoft's on highs, AMD's on highs, and NVIDIA not able to push above that 44. Let's see what happens here. Microsoft, new highs. Tesla coming in as well. I might very well yet get filled on that Tesla. I would still take it right now. That is a really nice level down there at the low 82s. Apple on highs. CRWD on highs. Would love to see this NVIDIA rip above that 44 and really run. Here it's approaching the hole again. Here's 44. Amazon on highs, Apple on highs, Microsoft on highs, whole world's on highs. Can NVIDIA get up? No. No, she cannot. A lot of selling in front of 44. It's clearing that resistance though. If it gets through this pocket, this thing can run. Bunch of stuff hitting highs. Let's see NVIDIA gain that 44 bid. It's starting to hit my time stop. Tesla continuing to come in. I might get those 30s down there. Where am I at? 31 cents. I might be able to get those. Just concerned that this NVIDIA can't make new highs. Like everything, and the entire market's making new highs. NVIDIA is coming in. And now NVIDIA coming in further. Market coming in. and it feels like I might just get slammed here. Let's see, Tesla got down to 42 cents. I was at 31. Market coming in. About to get filled on Tesla. Did not get it. What did that get down to? It got down to 32 cents. Wow. I was 1 penny away, and I did not get it. I'm gonna move up a few pennies just in case it retests. That was 1 penny away. I got the 36 cents, so I'm long Tesla as well. Tesla, I am long as well at 36 cents. Let's take a look here. 1.5 to 1 is near this 83.5. 2 to 1 is above 84.5. Yeah, and here comes NVDA. Can it get up here? 20s, and it hits this wall. Here's the 20s, NVIDIA 30s. Can I get filled up at 40? I did not get it. Did not get it. Are they going to lift? Here we go. Are they going to lift those 29s on the offer? There's the 29s lifted, 30s. Can they get up to this 40? No, they can't. Can I get those 40s? Got the 40s. NVIDIA, new highs. NVIDIA running. Tesla, 83.5. I'm going to take off 1. Market all over the place. Can this Tesla get above 83? I am concerned about that. NVIDIA 240, 244. I do not like that action in NVIDIA. I do not like it. If this thing's gonna go, then go. And all the way back down here. And Tesla, all the way back down as well, after getting up to 83. And now Tesla gonna go check the other side of 82. And I do not like that action at all. That was quite the shake. And market coming in as well. Do not like that. I got stopped out of NVIDIA, and I am about to get stopped out of Tesla. I mean, just awful, awful price action here in these large caps, just all over the place. I mean, that's awful in NVIDIA. That's just awful price action. And this Tesla, I'm not even thinking of holding this down to the stop. I just don't like this. Do not like this. Can't get above 82 right now. Can't get above 82. Just hitting a wall at 82. I'm bunching out of that. I do not like that Tesla right there. I don't like that this happened, and I don't like that wall at 82. I'm just taking the loss and moving on. Just terrible price action here this morning, it looks like. And this is quite bad. Ugh, what an open session. Very tough. There goes Tesla, just dropping out. This NVDA is terrible. I'm done for the morning. This is just awful price action.